To edit photos on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, all you have to do is you need to open the gallery. Next in the gallery, we're gonna open a photo that you wish to edit, and we're gonna use the pen icon in the bottom right corner. Now in here we start with a couple of different parameters that we can use in order to adjust our photo. We have cropping tools, so you can crop your photo, you can rotate it, flip it, and we can apply a different aspect ratio and so on and so forth. We have the AI section as well, but in order to use it, we need to download AI model. So of course I'm gonna download it now, and we should be able to get rid of reflection or pedestrians as well. There are also filters that we can apply. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and there's also the watermark section, so we can apply a watermark after taking a photo first. And once you are done with your photos, once you do everything that you wanted to do with that photo, then of course we want to save it here in the upper right corner. And there we go, our photo has been saved, and of course it is saved separately. The original photo is still available. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.